Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Monster Hunter Wilds crashing on startup on your PC. First, we will check the game files because damaged or missing files can often cause startup crashes. Open Steam and go to your library. Find Monster Hunter Wilds, right-click on it, and select Properties. Now open the Installed Files section. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for Steam to complete the process. If Steam finds any broken files, it will automatically replace them. The next step is to disable overlays and background programs. Some third-party overlays can conflict with the game engine and cause crashes. Open Steam Settings, go to In-Game, and disable the Steam overlay. Also, turn off overlays from apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, or AMD Adrenalin. If you use recording or clipping software like Metal or OBS, close them completely before launching the game. After that, make sure your graphics drivers are updated. Old or corrupted GPU drivers can create problems when starting newer games. Once you complete these steps, restart your PC and try launching Monster Hunter Wilds again. Thanks for watching.